In this video, I will show how to remove extra space between words in Microsoft Excel. So we have this data and there are some extra space for some words. So we have to use this formula. Firstly, insert. Now make proper size. Now here type this formula equal trim. Select it, trim. Now select this cell and press enter. So we can see now we have not gained any extra space. Now drag and drop down. Every extra space this time remove. Now you can delete this column. Now copy this data and paste as a value. Now delete. We again cut and paste here. Now you make changes and change the size. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.